So good morning, everybody. My name is Kijun, live here from Hamburg, trading the DAX market opening, which is going to happen in approximately 2 minutes time on this Friday, the 11th of February. Before we take a look at the chart, let's go down on our website into the calendar, economic calendar with a daily appointment. So every trader, I think, needs to take a look at the calendar before he starts actually trading. So grab a cup of coffee, take a look at the calendar, clear your mind and see what numbers we'll get here today. Where's that volatility coming in? We already had numbers from the UK. GDP was coming in much stronger, but that's already behind us. So in here for the rest of the morning, there are no red flagged economy appointments. So we'll go down a bit, and now we are already in the afternoon. We always take a look at the red flagged ones and also at the European or US American news announcements. Michigan consumer sentiment coming out at 4 p.m., but that's pretty much it. So everybody's waiting for that for that Fed meeting in mid-March to see whether the interest rate will be increased maybe by 1/4 percentage point, maybe half, maybe 3/4, maybe 1 point, who knows. So yesterday's record inflation numbers, record since or as high as 1982 of 7.5% point. Well, they really put some pressure on the Fed to start interest hiking very, very soon. Now, 40 seconds to go. So let me put away the Dow, and we are here looking at the DAX. That's where we are trading the market opening now with our TC24 trading tools in the so-called grid system. I'll get back to that in a second, but first 3 seconds to go, 1 second to go, and here we are on the right hand side. That's where we are placing the trap. So the market is coming down a couple points, and let's open it up. So we have placed a box around trap number 3. The market is trading between the green and the red line, and now we see a good breakout to the bottom side. And let me enlarge this, and that's it. The market, oh wow, that was very quick. The market was just trading just for a second below the blue line, meaning our SwissBox has already taken out that trade, close it with a take profit. So just took a couple of seconds. Perfect. So we'll now keep on trading in our live trading room. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.